Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice rapid red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5 liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the bed utility package as well as the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing, backup camera of course, tow hitch, mud flaps on the rear, as well as a nice gripped running board, side view cameras, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors. We also have a nice hood deflector, front park sensing, 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably, and we do have this nice gray cloth interior. Plenty of door space. We have 2 cup holders as well as a 12 volt. Ooh, come on. 2 USB-Cs and 120. And of course, if you need more storage, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same gray cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space. We have our parking brake right there, lights, blind spot, and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 12.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel. You have your toggle-free menu, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have My View, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Continue your look here. We got a fair bit of storage here, two cup holders and some pen storage here. This does lift up for underneath storage as well. Storage right here with the USB and USB-C. We have a nice leather-wrapped center console with a ton of storage with 2 USB-Cs. You have your rear locking differential, drive modes, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12 volt, 120 volt, volume tune, 12 volt, 120. Clicking this, you do get storage there, as well as right there and above. We also have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of our vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction. And above me, we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. And looking at our screen here, we do have our audio, which has Sirius XM capabilities, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto. We can connect phones. You have your navigation, fave apps, messaging, email, so on and so forth. Your apps in general, or any apps you've downloaded, settings, and your featured apps. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE01099, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.